Guys, don't worry, just relax. This piece of paper will not decide your future. You know why? Go watch this video till the end. In which year did you guys study your class 12?
I appeared last to last year.
1965.
1965.
Yeah.
2014, I think.
2014.
Yeah.
Almost 50 years back.
Yeah.
Class 12 was in
भूल गया.
कितने साल हो गए होंगे अभी?
2001.
2001. Almost.
Three. Sorry. Yeah, 2000.
Almost 14-15 years back.
I'm in 12th standard.
2016.
16 means last year.
Last year.
Last year.
2012.
Class 12 कब पढ़े थे आप?
12-13 साल हो गए.
12-13 साल. Tell me that how important are the marks of class 12th exam?
Not at all. I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Marks are important, but they're not everything.
Well, honestly, I don't think marks are important. What is important is knowledge.
Well, in a country like India, yes, they do.
अभी क्या? What are you studying currently?
Physical sciences.
So is this what?
program.
BSc program. Is this what you wanted? Is this something what you wanted to do like when you were in school? No.
Basically, they are not much required. Apart from lot of things for the careers out there.
So while you were studying, while you were in your class 11th and 12th, so is this what you wanted to do? Like what you're doing right now?
No, I prefer just going with the flow.
I wanted to be a doctor, but now I am in this field and I am really enjoying myself. I'm pretty close to what I wanted to do and I'm happy.
What matters is what kind of a person you are, how well you can gel with the new environment, with the changes that you're going to encounter in future.
Are marks really important to decide one's future?
To be very honest, class 12th marks don't really matter in the long run because at the end of the day, when you get into a professional life or when you pursue your post-graduation after your graduation or even graduation, nobody looks at your marks.
There were many average, mediocre students in my class who are placed much better than me today.
Even after 7 years, do people ask you for your marks?
Nobody asks for the marks. This is what I tell my friends right now. I mean, who are in college or about to pass college.
Get into something which you wish for, which you're passionate for, something which you can enjoy working for.
मुझे हिंदी अच्छा नहीं बोलना आता है लेकिन
नहीं आप अच्छी हिंदी बोल रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा बहुत परफेक्ट हिंदी बोल रहे हैं
ओके ओके
I tell them that it doesn't matter. Nobody's going to ask you for report cards. You're not carrying it with you all the time.
Absolutely.
I wanted to prove to myself that I could study and like make a career out of a hobby that people actually think of.
पेड़ पे जो फल लगता है ना जितने ज्यादा फल लगता है उसमें उतना ही मार पड़ता है ऐसे ही जो भी अच्छा करना चाहता है और कोई अलग करना चाहता है उसको ज्यादा क्रिटिसाइज आता है लेकिन
I want to give you a high five. High five. क्या एग्जाम्पल है मजा आ गया ये सुन के
Tell them that it's okay, results coming out, even if many of you are not able to do well. It won't be a problem for you. Just get in a college, do well in the college, and you'll do well in your life. And I don't know who said this, but a piece of paper can't decide your future, and I think that's pretty right. If you've not scored well, that is something which is not in your hands. So something which is not in your hands, and you cannot do anything about it. There is no point crying over it.
अरे क्यों यार क्यों मूड खराब करना है वो पेपर है 3 घंटे में हमारा जीवन हमारा लाइफ कोई भी डिसाइड नहीं कर सकता है लेकिन उसका अंदर का टैलेंट है ना वो डिटरमाइन करता है उसके लाइफ में वो पीछे जाके क्या कर सकता है वो चाहे जितने 0 मार्क्स भी आए लेकिन उसका अंदर का जो जुनून है ना जुनून क्या बोलता है उसको पैशन वो अगर वो जाग पाए ना वो आग लगा देगा.
That is why I think it's totally fine if you don't score good marks. You should just follow your passion. Maybe apply somewhere where marks don't have as much weightage.
Let's not get into the name of the college. Get into these things where you can actually study and you can see your future. You know that a degree can be attained from any college, but it depends on you how you take it further.
I think it's not the end of everything. It is just one part of your life, and I certainly believe that life consists of multiple parts that you have. तो जो भी आप कर रहे हो that is just one part of your life. अब रिजल्ट का तो हम कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, but just guys take it easy. इतना मत सोचो जो होगा अच्छे के लिए होगा. You guys will do well. And I have had many of my friends who didn't score that well in 12th, but they are also sorted. Very sorted. Life goes on, yaar. You do well in life.
There are multiple options they can choose from.
I also feel that somewhere the course that, even if they take the same course in a different college, say not SRCC, the course at the end of the day is same.
There are a lot of opportunities that and students are right lot of information through internet and all that.
घबराने का जरूरत
नहीं and nobody is bothered nowadays.
If you're not doing well in one part of your life, सारे हिस्से खत्म नहीं हुए हैं.
I mean, if you put in a little more effort, like probably take extra classes or go through the internet or buy books, do a little extra effort, I think you are on the same page as those in SR.
मुझे एक चीज़ याद आता है, जैसे कि सॉरी वो फैमिली होता है ना, जैसे कोई बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं और घर में आते हैं ना, तो घर पे फिरते हैं, एग्ज़ाम देकर आते हैं, जो भी पेरेंट्स उनको पूछते हैं कि कितने मार्क्स आ गए, ऐसे पूछते हैं ना, लेकिन सबको आज क्या सीखा तुमने, सच में वो लाइफ के लिए तुमने क्या सीखा?
And what I feel, parents need counseling.
Parents
Need counseling, yeah,
Why do you
definitely.
say that?
Because they are the one all the time stressed. Yeah, putting pressure.
Look, I'll just tell them that you guys have given your best. You guys have done whatever you could. So don't worry about the result. Be happy. I know your parents will ruin your life for a couple of days, but then it will be okay. There are parents, they'll say things to you.
Whatever are the results, they should, encourage their children, and they should give them a good treat in the evening. And,
Allow them to follow their passion.
Follow your passion. Do what you want to do in life.
Basically, follow your dreams and follow your passion.
एकदम
जो हाथ में है, make the most of it. There is no point crying over past.
सो इफ़ यू लुकिंग फॉर कॉलेजेस, और अगर आप जानना चाहते हो जो आपके लिए कौन सा बेस्ट कॉलेज रहेगा, गो चेक आउट htcampus.com. आई एम श्योर दैट यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड नाउ दैट लाइफ में मार्क्स ही सब कुछ नहीं होता. यू ऑल नीड टू थिंक बियॉन्ड मार्क्स. आपका फ्यूचर नहीं डिसाइड करने वाला, ठीक है? और अगर आपको मेरे टिप्स और सजेशंस चाहिए, इस वाले वीडियो को ज़रूर देखना. और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे न्यू हो और अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया और आपको हमारे वीडियोस अगर अच्छे लगते हैं, ये जो नीचे सर्कल अपीयर कर रहा है, प्लीज़ उसको क्लिक करो. क्विक रिएक्शन टीम को सब्सक्राइब करो और हमें सपोर्ट करो. आई एम गोना सी यू गाइस every Tuesday and every Friday 4 p.m. with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, goodbye.